Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Super Mario, and it's the polybag, and the polybag is set 30385, the Super Mushroom Surprise from 2020 to 2021. As you can see, I have two of the Super Mushroom Surprise sets. See, get this beautiful red and white mushroom with a scanner on the top, and you get this beautiful yellow box with a question mark on, and it also has a scanner at the top. See, that's the little box with a question mark on, and both sets have a beautiful red flower piece on, and I bought this at Toys R Us in 2021 in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the link to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.